If you're looking for free watercolor backgrounds, then this video is for you. Now, I found this on Creative Fabrica and it's completely free. Now, if you didn't know, Creative Fabrica has some free design resources where they give away free fonts, SVGs, graphics, embroidery, and free classes. Now, some of these freebies are time sensitive, so depending on when you're watching this may not be available. But at the current time of making this video, these watercolor backgrounds are completely free. Now, if we open this up in an incognito window, we can see that just here it's free. All you have to do is log in to Creative Fabrica to download this freebie. Now, you do also need an account to do this, so keep that in mind as well. And the link for this freebie will be down in the description. Now, what I've gone ahead and done is already downloaded this and uploaded some of them here in Canva so that we can take a look at them to see what they look like. Now, as we can see, these actually look really, really nice and would work well in multiple different types of projects. Now, I personally really like the ones with the gold glitter on them. It really makes them stand out. Now, if we just carry on going through this, we can see what they look like so that you can see whether or not you want these watercolor backgrounds. Now, I believe I have just over 20 here. Again, this is another one which I really, really like. The images are square images as well, so keep that in mind. Now, let's just carry on going through these. There's just a couple more left, and there we go. We can see they do look really nice. Now, if we come back over to here, you actually get 40 digital watercolor backgrounds with 300 dpi, high resolution as well. You get the PNG and JPEGs as well. And if we take a look at the folder, this is what it looks like. If we click on one of these, we can see we get the JPEG, PNG, and also PDF. So if you want to check out this free watercolor background bundle, there will be a link down in the description. And if you want to watch more of my Creative Fabrica freebie videos, then click right here and watch this playlist.